What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, all of you know what the biggest narrative in this bull market is going to be. It's all hovering around AI. Last bull market, it was around the metaverse, which we still have pieces of metaverse that are flying into this bull market and are still relevant within this bull market. But right now, it's all about AI. It's all about things like ChatGPT and Grok, chatbot, and many different AI projects and companies and all of that stuff, right? So, seeing that, you want to find the right position. And I know everybody's looking for one that's early stages, that may not be worth $1 billion or, 100 or sorry, 200, 300, 400, $500 million worth of a market cap. You're looking for something that may be a little bit early stages, but not too early to where you don't know what's going to happen, right? You don't know what they're doing. There's some projects out there that are in the beginning stages that are developing and you don't really see the product, right? There's other stages where people are already, fully developed, or the project's already fully developed. The process of developing that AI or building that AI into whatever the use case is already implemented as well. And it's also worth billions of dollars. However, we're looking for something that's early stages that also shows us the ability of building that AI, working with partnerships, being on exchanges, having a solid project, all of those different things that we want to see within an investment. So I think I have one of those for you guys today. Multi AI is one that has come across my desk that honestly I look at and everything is kind of screaming that this is going to be popular within this bull market. Now, again, this is done with my research, right? My research may be different than yours. Sometimes my research ends up working wonders for me, and sometimes it just doesn't, right? There's ups and downs to anything, and there's pros and cons to anything. So I want you guys to take all the information that I have in the description, do some of this research yourself. There's only so much that I could put in an 8 or 10 minute video that you guys can go off of. So feel free to check out all of those links and all the things that they do have on their website, on their Twitter account, as you look at coin market cap or anything, right? So let's go ahead and get into this. Guys, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Check out my links if you guys want to help out the channel, as well as if you want to research multi-chain AI, like I said before, or multi-AI. Feel free to check out those links in the description. But let's go ahead and look at the website. This is the website for multi-AI, multi-ai.pro. You're going to see here that you have right at the beginning. Let's go ahead and refresh this because it shows something that I think a lot of people want to see when you refresh this or when you look at the website. Right down here, it says powered by who? NVIDIA. I think NVIDIA is just one of the more popular companies right now. If you look at their stock price and how it has risen to trillions of dollars worth of a market cap, it's insane to see. And any partnership, any use of that is a massive plus, right? But if you also want to look at where the multi comes from, you can see that you have BSC, you have Ethereum, and you have Solana, which does adjust the contract. If we scroll down here and what they are for, actually, while we're talking, let's just go through and look at this. Look at this video here. I don't know if they're going to show any audio. I don't want to show any audio, but let's look at this video real quick, which it is like 50 seconds long. And it really displays everything that they do offer. And I like when I see AI projects that not only give you like what the roadmap will be and what the project will be in the end, but also give you what they are doing right now. And you see how they utilize that powered by NVIDIA breakdown. You can do text to image, you can do audio generation, you can do image restoration, you can do diffusion models. So there's many different things that you can do within, creating images from text, just like you would with, let's say, what is it? Adobe Suite and how they have their AI. So you have many different things that you can get from this alone. And if we scroll down here, we're going to see the collections, right? You have text to image, you have text to animation, which I've never seen before. You have audio generation, you have video creating and processing, image to text, language models, image processing, and others. So if you go in here and you understand what it is about, a multi-chain or multi-AI is a platform for open source products built using artificial intelligence technology. Our services provide a unique opportunity to use all the most in-demand neutral networks in one place at a fair price. Any developer will be able to monetize their AI model, which will be deployed inside our server and run on NVIDIA T4 GPU. So you have AI that's interconnected with the Web3, which interconnected with the API. Use cases, all of this without a special programming or drawing skills. You can get started, which I have kind of gotten started. I just want to go through this here. You have video editing, you have design, animation, music, marketing, game development. So you have different pieces to it that you can use for it, and they actually lay out the use cases and not only just lay them out as like, oh, this is in future like development or anything. Like this is actually in use. Like this is one of the things that they had, one of the prompts, which is basically doing an anime style visual. And I wanted to see an anime style visual with just something simple, a cat with green eyes and a basket. And you're going to see here cat, green eyes, and a basket in an anime style image. And again, I didn't really sit here and expect the craziest out of it. Like I didn't expect them to just put a cat, like it's an animated style thing. So I wanted to see them put, cat ears, or it's a cat, anime style cat in a basket. And it's cool, right? It's cool to be able to see those type of things and be able to develop those type of things. That's just one example of what it is. You can go and check out all of those other examples if you want to, but they're offering quite a bit. And if we wanted to go into tokenomics, you have different tokenomics for various chains. With BSC, you're going to have a 3% sell tax. With Ethereum, you're going to have a 3% sell tax as well. And then with Solana, you're not going to have any sell tax or buy tax with it. And 40% goes to the pre-sale, which it's already live, so you don't have to worry about that. But 40% goes towards a listing out there. You have 16% towards liquidity, 10% towards bridge, 5% towards partnership. You could see that. You could see the breakdown a little bit more, right? Where you have this pre-sale, it hit 30%, 10%, 5%. And then BSC will be a little bit as well, a little bit different, where it's 35%, 10%, 8%, 8%, things like that, right? So you have a breakdown of all the tokenomics for each individual chain as well. And they also have their roadmap out there. Now, let me not waste a crazy amount of time, which I already have. Let's look at their Twitter account really quick just to show you where this is. Currently, you're seeing 13.7K followers here, and if you want to go and check them out, kind of ask them questions and stuff like that, and follow them. Feel free to go ahead and follow them. They have a pretty active Twitter account as well. Let me go into the chart, which everybody really wants to see. So the chart currently stands, it's at 1.5 cents. It's up 3%. It's at a $148 million market cap. With $372,000 worth of volume. If you look at the markets that are available here, you're available in Radium. You're also available in MEXC, which is a popular exchange, and they have another exchange in the works that I can't say anything of, but know that there's another popular exchange that's also in the works. So it's bringing on more popularity within the position, as well as giving you the full use cases within the position. So honestly, this is opening my eyes to what it could be. If I look at the last 7 days, it's up by 6%. The last 1 month, it's down by 26%. So maybe an opportunity. But then you're also looking at the last year, which really hasn't been a year, but you're looking at year to date, and it's up 193%, and honestly could have a lot more growth going forward. It has time within it, so that you've seen some movement. It's not something that's like a day old or 2 days old or even a week old. It's like a month or a month and a half old, which is really good to see. Anyways, it's something that's showing me early stages, but then also showing me that they have things not only in development, but also that are working right now. So I'm very interested to see where this does go. If you guys could, make sure you hit that like button and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. Honestly, those will tell you everything that you need to know when it comes to multi-AI. Please do your own research. But guys, if you could, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.